Yo, what's up guys, Andy here, and today I'm going to show you how to sell shares on the Rally app. So Rally is an investing app for alternative assets. It allows you to buy things like cards, cars, comics, wine, figures, or anything strange like that. And you do this through an order book where you can buy and sell. So first we're going to go to my profile in the top left. You can see I have 11 shares of this first edition Charizard, which I'm down quite a bit on, but that's okay. Just looking to sell and move into something else. It's not that I don't believe in first edition Charizard. I actually think this asset will do well long term. I just have different plans for right now. So looking to sell this, first what we want to do is tap on the asset and then tap on it again. This is going to open up some more information here where you can buy and sell. So if you wanted to buy, you could tap buy and place an order here in the order book. Let's go back. Right below these two buy and sell buttons, you'll be able to tap on that and view the order book. So you can see there's 50 shares that someone is trying to sell at $4.80. And then people are trying to buy one share at $3.75, one share at $3.55. So basically you want to get in this order book. You can sell directly to these bids at $3.75, $3.55, $3.40, but that's kind of low, so I don't want to do that. So I just want to place some sell orders in the order book. Let's go ahead and close this. And then I want to tap on sell. So here it's going to say how many shares do you want to sell and at what price. So I want to do 11 shares. And there was currently already orders at $4.80, so let's just go to $4.70. We're gonna undercut a little bit, see if we can get these sold. Then we just tap review order. It's gonna give us the information here. Then we can tap place order. So there we go, our sell orders are in the order book. Tap OK. And now we just have to see if anyone wants to buy those shares. It's just a waiting game. Probably low liquidity on this item. Another reason I want to exit it and get into something else. It's not that I don't believe in it. I actually have a huge position in Pokemon cards. Just want to get my 50 bucks and do something else with it at this time. But there we go. Our orders are in the book. We can go back, go to my account. So there's my orders right there. Ask to sell 11 shares at $4.70. If we want to edit this, we can tap edit on the right side of the screen. That'll allow you to cancel these orders or edit the price. I'm just gonna go back. And yeah, now I just have to wait for these orders to fill, probably check in on them daily. See if anybody undercuts us, we might want to drop the price. See if anyone buys them. We can cash out. But there's how to do it, how to place sell orders on the Rally app. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe, check out the channel for thousands of more tutorials for investing apps like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.